The South African Police Service's vaccination drive kicked off today. The Police Minister and the National Police Commissioner have already been vaccinated. Begicele says his department has not received any information about reluctance, but they are urging all members of the SAPS to get the jab. Well, let's get more on what happened earlier today. eNCA reporter Lindokuhle Xulu is joining us on the Midday View after witnessing those morning events at Orlando Stadium in Soweto. Good afternoon, Lindo. Welcome to the Midday View. Thank you very much for joining us. So tell us, how did it go this morning? Was everything orderly?
Good afternoon, Praten. I can certainly tell you that everything was in order, with many of the police detectives as well as constables basically getting their jabs today. But ahead of that, there was the Minister of Police, Begicele, who took the first jab, and followed by National Commissioner, that is Hesitancy, who also got their jab. But what they were saying was that they are urging all police to do the same, to follow suit, so that when vaccines are available at various stations, as we understand, there are 108 vaccination sites that have been set aside to ensure that police are vaccinated. They're saying that police must take that responsibility, but answer to that call to say that they must in fact make themselves available to get the jab. So today everything was running smoothly. As we understand it, the launch of this vaccination drive, we're expecting that at Orlando Stadium 900 of the officials from SAPS will be vaccinated today. But certainly everything, as we have seen, has been begun, and we understand that this will be the order of the week, as many of the police are expected to get vaccinated today.
Okay, one of the issues that we've seen happening regarding vaccination rollout, particularly, let's say, in the public sector, and focusing on the education sector in particular, is a lot of hesitancy. I mean, many educators and teachers and people who work there, telling the vaccinated that they're still making up their minds, they're not sure. Did you pick up some hesitancy with the police service today?
Well, it's difficult to pick that up, but then at the vaccination centers, because those that are there are actually people that are voluntarily going to get the jabs, and we've seen quite a number of police there. But one of the things I can certainly tell you was that during the press briefing, during the address of the police minister as well as the acting minister of health, I did see an interaction between them, that when we asked the question of whether police will see the same situation when it came to education, saying that there is some hesitancy. We saw Police Minister Begicele almost whispering to the acting health minister that not with the police. So it does seem that they are not expecting that police will be reluctant to take the vaccine. But more so, when he answered that question, he said that there is no expectation, there are no information that they've received in terms of them actually getting a sense that there are some people in the policing sector that are actually reluctant to get vaccinated. So at this stage, the Minister of Police answered that by simply saying that there is no information that anyone is reluctant, and they're expecting that all of their members will then be able to make themselves available to the different vaccination centers so that they can get vaccinated.
Thank you very much, Lindokuhle Xulu. They're back from Orlando Stadium in Soweto, where he witnessed this morning police beginning getting the COVID-19